Upgrade. Welcome to our Upgrade Tuesday. This was actually brought about by the recent training that we had with the Leadership Academy's initiative, yung sa Back to the Future, Back to Basics. What was the title of that, Pat? I can't remember. But anyway, they talk about in traditional insurance, and it was mentioned there that hindi kasi balance yung ating performance. Yes, we were number one last year as a company, but the spread of the product sold, it's close to siguro 95-98% VUL or variable insurance. And we are really lagging dun sa traditional insurance. So, and that the companies, there's a push from the company to really create and launch traditional insurance products. And we need to embrace this, guys, because if you think about it, we are an insurance company, so we should be positioning traditional insurance, not investment. So I know that there will be a lot of concepts which will be introduced tonight na baka it will cause confusion or questions, or just feel free to ask questions, guys. So the purpose of this session tonight is really to learn, for us to learn. If it's very new to you, nahiya kayo na magtanong, baka sa tingin nyo very basic, you can post the questions sa ating support GC. And we are going to answer that. But feel free to ask a lot of questions here. Kaya full force ang ating ang ating training team from head office, all supporting our learning session for this evening, so that everybody will learn. And I'm sure naman Pat, Jasper, and Joel will be answering the questions in the chat box if we don't have much time to answer it here in the Zoom session. So let's take advantage of this. We're only 45 in the call, so hopefully we can encourage more of our teammates to join. We are about to start in about 5 minutes, so please invite them over. So ayan, so let's enjoy it. Thank you again for Pat, Jasper, and Joel for your time to do this with us.
Ayan. Thank you so much to our BM Boots Peteza, ayan, for our opening remarks. In addition, leaders, RA leaders, please call on your teammates to join us tonight. Ayan. So 45 participants in the call. All right. Slay may be exceptional. So I guess okay, all right. So I will introduce our guest speaker, AVP and Head of Pro Leadership Academy, our guest speaker tonight, Mr. Joel Jos Hoson. Or is it Mr.
Hello everyone.
Awesome.
All right.
Hi. Thank you, Dap. Hi.
Just to add, para medyo naman natin introduction kay Joel. Siyempre, then legend na ng Pru yan. So he was the one who to become a branch manager. So he's the head of Pru Leadership Academy. So they are the ones in charge of training our future unit managers, branch managers, area and district managers. And laman yan palagi ng stage as host of our major program. So yan ang kilala sa Pru. So thank you, Joel, for doing this. I know it's last minute because it was supposed to be Joan, but really appreciate it. And thank you also, Jasper and Pat.
Yes, our pleasure, Sir Boots. Good evening po, everyone. And yung kasama ko, mag-hello kayo. Of course, from Pru Leadership Academy, I have with me Jasper Baladad and Pat Garcia. I hope this is not the first time na nakita niyo po sila. I hope na na-encounter niyo sila on one of your training programs. Of course, actually, both Jas and Pat, galing po sila ng Pru Academy, Pru Agent Academy before. So mayroon silang stint doon. Ang pinakabago sa Pru Leadership Academy is Jasper. No? Mga 1 year na rin siya sa amin. But prior to that, he's part of Pru Agent Academy. So kung kayo po ay Life Club, okay, awardees, alright, or nagpa-follow up about Life Club, si Jasper po yun. So kasama na namin siya ngayon sa Pru Leadership Academy. And of course, we have also Pat, na matagal na sa namin kasama. Pat, ilang years ka na sa amin sa Pru Leadership Academy? 4 years na
4
din.
years.
Okay. So if we have unit managers in the room, so baka po na-encounter ninyo during your love workshop, PAB na training, si Pat. So sila po yung kasama namin ngayon. And di ko lang naabutan yung introduction kanina na we're here to discuss traditional life products na positioning, Ito po yung last 3 offerings namin ng Traditional Life na products. Kaya kami 3. Okay, so yung pinakaunang-una na product, sino ba magdi-discuss? Kanino na ba napunta yon? Kay Pat?
Ako,
Okay. Anong product yung sa'yo, Pat?
si yung 5, 10, 15, 20. Yung una.
True love for life.
True Love for Life, sorry. Yun yung una ko.
Okay, and then si Jazz naman nandito siya to discuss
For
yung
Wealth.
True Love Wealth. And then yung pinakabago na ilo-launch natin na product, no, na ongoing na rin yung rollout. I think this is exclusive for your team naman, is yung True Lifetime Income. Yun po yung i-discuss ko. No? So para ma-maximize natin yung time, I think we'll start na. So we'll start
Yes.
with Pat first, no?
Ayan. All right. Thank you, Ate Jules. Hi, everyone from RE Financial. I'm so excited to be here. Kaya ang aga ko po. No? So pwede po ba to start off, pwede bang i-type niyo po sa chat box, let's go. Pwede ba? Para naman maramdaman ko po yung energy ninyo. And just like what Sir Boots has mentioned earlier, kung may question po kayo, feel free. No? Kasi for my portion, I'll also try to discuss some traditional life concepts in the beginning first para po same tayo ng language all throughout. No? Para po mas maintindihan ninyo no, yung traditional and the features of the plan as we go along. Ayan. So ramdam na ramdam ko na po yung energy, no? So to begin my portion, no, one of the things we'd like to share with you, no, is that syempre po because of the efforts that we've been doing the past few months, years already, no, mas marami na po ng mga Pilipino na nakakaalam sa insurance and the value of life insurance. But kahit po ganun yung effort natin, no, just to share with you, the Philippines is still one of the under-penetrated market today. No? To be honest, no, when you look at our national economy, the insurance industry only contributes 1.72%. No, and that shows you that marami pa po no yung nangangailangan no ng discussions sa atin. And on the company side, as we've mentioned, no, it's also a call to us to offer more products that would cater to the needs ng ating pong mga clients. And that's why we've been offering traditional no products recently kasi sabi nga ni Sir Boots, no, mapapansin niyo po in the past yung portfolio natin more on VUL talaga. And so that's where we will jump off no dun sa ating pong discussion. Now, what I'm about to share dito po sa aking slides is actually something that I'm sure you're familiar with already. Okay, ano po yung something that you're familiar with? It's a pyramid that I'm sure pinapakita po sa inyo during your ROP. Sorry po, nung nasa Pro Agent pa kasi ako, BTC pa po yung tawag nung panahon ko. No? But pinapakita po siya. So I'm sure you're familiar with the hierarchy of financial needs. So alam naman natin no, that it starts with protection. So once you start earning, maganda po to have that income protected right away. Diba? Kasi yung income, lalo na po for a normal Filipino, hindi lang naman tayo ang nakikinabang. No? Marami ang pinapapuntahan. And so it's so important to have it protected. And once you start earning a little bit more, diba? You can set aside already for savings, no? And kung lumaki pa yan, no, you can start investing already for wealth accumulation. And at the top of the pyramid would be for estate planning, no, which is ensuring na yung mga na-accumulate na wealth natin, no, will be distributed to the people, no, na gusto po natin talagang pagbigyan, no? And if you look at this pyramid, I'm sure po kung tatanungin ko po kayo ngayon, kung anong VUL product will fit on a particular level, kaya nyo pong sagutin, di ba? But since, of course, sabi nga natin, we've been launching many different new products, specifically traditional products, no? What we hope to accomplish this evening is, at the end of this, no, magkaroon po kayo ng idea when it comes to traditional, saan papasok yung mga products na ni-launch natin. Okay? But, like what I've told you earlier, bago tayo pumunta sa product specific, I'd like to review or refresh some traditional life concepts with you. Okay lang po ba yon? Nandito pa po ba kayo?
Yes.
Yes. All right, good. So feel free po, no? If you have a question, feel free to type it in the chat box. I'll try to answer it or my teammates will answer it. Or kung gusto niyo po mag-unmute, mas prefer ko po yon, no? Kasi mas makakapag-usap po tayo. No? So, let's start. In general, no? When it comes to traditional life insurance, there are 3 types. Okay? 3 lang po yan. Iikot lang po ang mga produkto sa 3 ito. The first one is something that is very easy to understand. Ito po ang ninuno ng traditional life, which is a term insurance. Okay? So when you talk about a term insurance, from the word itself, term, ibig pong sabihin, the coverage is limited. When we say limited, for a specific number of years lang. So sige nga po, for example, you have a 30-year-old client, 30, and this client purchased a term 15, 1-5, term 15 plan. Hanggang anong age po siya covered? Pwede po bang i-type nyo sa chat box? Para na-check ko po kung gising pa po kayo. Ayan, hanggang anong age po covered? Okay? Ayan, 45. Good. So, if something happens to the client between those ages, no, 30 to 45, no, may makukuha po siyang death benefit because the client is protected. No, makukuha niya yung death benefit. But what if po the client outlives the policy? Umabot ng age 45, may makukuha po ba si client? Kung kayo po ang tatanungin ko, tingin niyo po sa term, may makukuha ba? For a term life. So umabot eh. So 30, term 15, 30 years old until age 45, covered. Umabot siya ng 45. Buhay si client, may matatanggap po ba? Wala. Okay? Kasi si term insurance only provides protection. So covered lang siya for that specific number of years. Now, if he outlives the policy, wala pong makukuha. No? So limited protection, pag term insurance ang pinag-uusapan natin. Wala po siyang tinatawag na cash value. Okay? Nako. Ito na yung term. Anong patupad na cash value? For some of you, this is probably something that you've heard of, no, but not really familiar with. So, if you're taking down notes right now, isa po sa unang note na gusto kong ipalagay sa inyo. Agad-agad, all caps, bold, no? Kung nagta-type man po kayo. Cash value is not the same as a fund value. Okay, again, a cash value is not the same as a fund value. Okay, bakit? Ang fund value po, again, fund value is only for your variable life insurance. So hindi po natin pag-uusapan si fund value today, no? Kasi variable yan. So tanggalin nyo na po yan sa isip niyo si fund value. Si cash value ang pag-focusan natin today. Okay, so the cash value is not the same as a fund value. Okay, bakit? Sige nga po, para lang mabilis. How will you describe a fund value sa VUL? Sige nga po, refresher. How would you describe a fund value? Fund value VUL. Volatile, okay. Not guaranteed, correct, no? So it's an investment component, that's why it's volatile, and it is not guaranteed. Okay? So yun si fund value. Ano ngayon po itong cash value na ito? Okay? So ayan, fund value is based on market price, correct? No, kaya siya nagfo-fluctuate. Si cash value, on the other hand, for your traditional life, no, cash value na po tayo, it is guaranteed. It is the savings component of your traditional life insurance. Okay? So guaranteed po siya. Isipin niyo po si cash value, unti-unti po siya talagang tumataas, no? May definite na pagtaas siya over time. So that upon maturity, yung cash value mo is equal sa sum assured. No? Kaya po siya po ay guaranteed. Okay? Clear po ba tayo doon kay cash value? Yes? Okay, good. So, it's good that we get it out of the way because that's the common confusion, no, with cash value and fund value. Now, si term insurance, the first type of traditional life that we've talked about, does not have this. So walang savings component. Kaya si term is purely protection. Now, let's go to the two other types. Okay, na pag-uusapan actually po natin tonight, no? Si whole life, saka po si endowment. Okay? Si whole life, from the word itself, no, whole life, ibig pong sabihin, the coverage is a lifetime. So, ibig pong sabihin, kung 30-year-old si client, hanggang kailan siya covered? Covered until age 100. Okay, good. No? So, yun po yung duration ng kanyang coverage with us. Now, if something happens to the client, no, within that period, from 30, in our example, to 100, ano po ang matatanggap ni client? Matatanggap niya yung kanyang sum assured, right? Now, what if, Pat, maswerte si client, umabot ng age 100, no? Na-outlive niya yung policy. May matatanggap ba si client this time around? Ayan, people are answering yes, no? Meron po. Ang matatanggap niya po ay kung magkano yung kanyang cash value, no? Because this time, si whole life, meron siyang cash value component. Kaya po nakalagay dyan, the benefit is both protection and savings. Okay, clear po tayo doon? Yes? Now, si endowment sa pinakababa, just think of it as a hybrid of term and whole life. Okay? Bakit po siya naging hybrid? Kasi si endowment, ang coverage niya is limited. Ibig pong sabihin, for a certain period of time lang ang coverage ni client. So may term, may term lang din yung coverage niya. Okay? But ang kagandahan po kay endowment, meron siyang protection and savings. Kasi merong cash value. Okay? So yun yung pinagkaiba ni endowment kay term. Si term, walang saving. Si endowment, meron. Okay? So clear po tayo dito? Yes? Yes? All right. Now, let's go to some terms, okay, that you will be encountering also as we go on with our discussion. Okay? So nabanggit na po natin kanina, si cash value. Cash value is the guaranteed savings component of a traditional permanent plan. Okay? So siya yung savings component. And sabi ko po sa inyo, imagine niyo po, si cash value at the start of the policy, unti-unti po yung tumataas. So pa-curve yan. Unti-unti po siyang tumataas. So that upon maturity of the policy, si cash value is equal dun sa sum assured ni client. Okay? Unti-unti siyang tumataas para umequal siya sa dulo ng policy sa sum assured. So ibig pong sabihin, dun sa duration na yon, hindi pa sila equal. Okay? Now, ang maganda po, dahil may cash value component, no? If the client, over the duration of the policy, sabihin po natin, hindi na po siya makabayad, ayaw na po niyang i-continue, gusto na niyang i-surrender yan, pwede po yon at meron siyang makukuha. Ang makukuha niya po, whatever is the amount of the cash value at the time. No? So kung magkano po yung cash value at the time, yun po yung makukuha niya. No? So in short, think of the cash value as a living benefit. So kung buhay si client, no? Kung buhay po si client, mag-mature yung policy, makukuha niya si cash value. Kung at the duration naman ng policy, ayaw na niya ituloy, meron pa rin po siyang makukuha, which is whatever the amount is of the cash value at the time. Yun nga lang po, hindi pa siya equal sa sum assured. So kumbaga, kung 2 million yung sum assured, magto 2 million lang po yan sa dulo. So ibig sabihin, sa earlier part ng policy, hindi pa yan equal to hindi pa siya equal to 2 million. Depende pa po yun. Makikita naman yun sa QP kung paano po yung pag-accumulate ng cash value. Okay? Are we clear with that? Now, last question. I want to clarify lang din ito po, no? So what does that mean? If the client dies, sa VUL kasi, di ba, it's sum assured plus fund value, correct? So does that mean in traditional, it's also sum assured plus cash value? The answer is no. Okay, hindi po. Kasi si cash value only will kick in no doon po sa dulo ng policy. So ang makukuha ni client upon death is just the sum assured. Okay, makukuha lang niya si cash value kung siya ay magsusurrender as mentioned by Sir Boots, no? Or kung mag-mature yung policy. Okay? Are we clear? Wala na po nagre-ring. Joke lang. Feel free po if it's causing you a little bit of confusion, feel free po to ask. Wala namang masama. Ask yan, yes, clear. That's good, no? Para po later on, mas maintindihan niyo po yung discussion natin ng products. Now, another term that you have to be familiar with is this term dividends. Okay? Dividends are only applicable to participating permanent traditional life plans. So again, kailangan daw po the plan is participating. Okay? So nasa product design po yun kung participating or hindi. So nakalagay na yun agad sa isang produkto kung participating siya or hindi. Kapag participating, may dividends. Pag hindi participating, ibig pong sabihin walang dividendo. Okay? So just like dividends, normal dividends are not guaranteed. It's only given kung may surplus yung kita po ng company. So ang maganda po, pagka ang plan ay participating, no, posible pong makatanggap ng dividendo yung policy. Okay? Now, ang tanong dyan, Pat, what if participating yung plan ko may dividends? Paano ko po yan matatanggap? Diyan po yan papasok yung dividend options. Kasi ang client may option. Kung participating yung plan niya, may option siya kung paano niya gustong matanggap yung dividends. Okay? So pwedeng iwan niya muna kay company, pwede namang tanggapin na lang din po niya or gamitin siya for another purpose. Okay? Clear po ba tayo doon? So may makikita po kayong additional dyan. In short, sa forms, no, may makikita kayo dyan na dividend options. So how the client wants to use his or her dividends. Okay? And last, there's what you call NFOs or what we call non-forfeiture options. So si non-forfeiture options, from the name itself, non-forfeit, no? Paano daw po kung hindi na makabayad si client? No? So basically, the non-forfeiture options give the clients, no, or an option kung paano po gagamitin si cash value pag hindi na mabayaran ni client yung premium. Kasi nga sabi natin, di ba, Pat, may cash value na unti-unting lumalaki. Kaya lang at some point, hindi na makabayad si client. Ano bang option ni client? So syempre pwede niya pong kuhanin na, isurrender na yung cash value, or may option siya na gamitin yung cash value na yon para po hindi ma-forfeit yung policy. Yun yung tinatawag na NFOs. Okay? Are we clear? Yes? Yes. Yan, magpapaquiz daw after. Yan, okay. Ako po yung kinabahan kasi wala pa akong ready questions. Okay, so now let's go to the products, no, and how to position it. So now, I want you guys to think of this. What if, no, and think of a client that will apply to this as we go along para may prospecting na rin tayo, no? So what if the family is dependent on you for financial support? No? What if may budget ka lang and you want basic protection, no? You want guaranteed benefits na hindi nakadepende sa market movement, no? And what if you want additional benefit pasok na sulit dun sa money that you're currently earning? Okay? So ang maganda po dyan, no, we have products, trad products in this case, no? Papasok dito. And we have a product specific, no, for protection. Ano po yan? So simulan ko po dito with the first product, which is yung tinatawag natin na True Love for Life 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay? Again, True Love for Life 5, 10, 15, 20. Yeah, ang dami nyo na pong makukuha dun sa title pa lang no, ng ating product, no? True Love for Life. So ano po ito? Okay? Ayan, nakalagay na po agad. It's participating. So since it's participating, what does it mean? Ano bang pwedeng matanggap? Dahil participating ito, ano po ang pwedeng matanggap? Ayan, pwedeng makatanggap ng dividends. Very good, no? So, since this is a participating plan, no, expect, no, na hihingan po kayo ng dividend option dito, no, kasi pwedeng makatanggap si client ng dividendo. Now, ano bang type of plan ito? Nakalagay po sa kanya, limited pay whole life plan. So, i-dissect natin. Limited pay. Ibig pong sabihin, the paying period is for a shorter amount of time. So, nakalagay na po sa title yung payment terms, 5, 10, 15, 20. So, mas maiksi. But, the coverage period is whole life. So, ibig pong sabihin, if a client purchases this, the coverage is until age 100. Okay? So, coverage until age 100. Pero ang bayad, mas maiksi. So, depende po, 5, 10, 15, or 20. Now, what's next? Ito po, the minimum sum assured daw po, no, is of course, 500,000, but this is subject to the minimum premium of 12,000 pesos. No? So, ayan ang minimum sum assured natin. And the maximum sum assured, depende po yan sa reinsurer's limit. No? So, kailangan pa po yan mag-provide ng additional documents kung malaki-laki yung magiging sum assured. Now, minimum and maximum entry ages, nakalagay po dyan, C5 and 10, no, is 0 to 60 years old. And for the 15 and 20 pay, it's 0 to 55 years old. So yan lang po yung age bracket na tinitingnan natin for your True Love for Life. Now, eto po, since nag-dwell tayo dito kay cash value kanina, no? Ano bang maganda pa sa cash value aside from having a maturity benefit? So ang maganda po, no, na meron kang cash value is if the client has an emergency and needs money, no? Your clients can take a loan from the cash value. Okay? Now, my dear friends, the word is loan. Ano pong ibig sabihin ng loan? Ano pong ibig sabihin? Utang, 'di ba? So ibig pong sabihin kailangang bayaran, no? And kailangan po yung bayaran with interest. Now, bakit ganon? Kasi si cash value, hindi pa po yan kay client eh. Hindi pa yan sa kanya agad-agad as long as they are covered. No? So, magiging entitled lang siya sa cash value at maturity. So, kung buhay pa yung policy and they will only take a portion, no? They have to pay it back. Pero ang maganda po doon, may option pa rin sila na kung kailanganin nila ng cash, meron po silang pagkukuhanan. No? Now, what if si client ayaw na talaga, which we hope doesn't happen, no? But this is a benefit because if kailanganin niya po ng pera, pwede niya na pong isurrender yung policy at makuha yung cash value for whatever amount the cash value is at the time of surrender. So meron po siyang perang pwedeng makuha. Alright? Are we clear dito po? Yan. Bayaran may interest. Paano na-determine ang cash value? Meron po yung computation, no? And actually, if you take a look at the sample QP, I think in the portion ng other products natin, makikita niyo po doon, yung pag-accumulate din ng cash value, nakadetermine na yon kung magkano po yung cash value, no, ni client per year. So that you have an idea. So, i-determined na ang ating cash value. Okay? Ayan. Now, let's talk about the dividends since this is a participating traditional life plan, no? So annual cash dividends, which may be paid in cash, no, applied to any premium due or left to accumulate with interest at rating company. So ibig pong sabihin, ito po yung mga dividend options, no? Ang option ni client, either bayaran sa kanya in cash or ibawas sa premium niya or iwan sa company at a rate set by the company. Again, meron pong option si client kung anong gagawin sa kanyang dividendo. Dividends are not guaranteed again, my friends, if you recall. So the options are paid sa kanya in cash, applied to the premium due para po mabawasan yung kailangan niyang bayaran, or iwanan kay company para lumaki pa, no, at an interest rate set by the company. The current accumulation rate is at 4%, no? Yun po yung makikita ninyo usually sa QP, no? But again, hindi po guaranteed tong 4%, no? So pwede rin po yung mag-fluctuate, depende po, no, dun sa surplus natin. Okay? And the default dividend option, kung makalimutan po ni client, no, or kung hahayaan lang po, is maiwan siya kay company to accumulate interest. Okay? So again, the default dividend option is iwan siya kay company, let it accumulate interest. Okay, are we clear? Ayan, may charge po ba if my surrender? Surrender, ito po buo po kasi ang surrender dito.
Yes.
Unless loan ang gagawin.
Mm-mm.
Ayan. Yes po, si Leng, nakataas po ang hand. Yes po.
Can the client change if
Naku, ma'am, hindi kita marinig, ma'am. Ano po yun?
Ate Kleng, medyo hindi ka naririnig.
ay sige, i-type ko na baka mahina signal ko. So,
Oh,
Sige, ma'am. Type niyo po and we'll try to respond to that once that you've typed it down. No? But are we clear for the others po? Are there additional questions?
I have a question, Miss Pat. For the
Yes po.
dividend accumulation rate at 4%, is there any chance na mas tumaas pa siya in the future, the 4%? Or
Ang alam ko, mama, sa Inuit, pwede din po siyang tumaas. Depende po sa surplus ni company. It's just yung current projection rate natin, no, given the well, I guess the current surplus that we have. But it can go up, but also take note, it can also go down, no? Si dividends po ito, ha, in clarification, yung
Yeah.
cash value po hindi siya ganyan, no? But si dividends, pwede po siya mag-up and down, depende po sa surplus.
alright, thank you.
Yan. Can the client change from without to putting it in the company? Yes po, pwede po. Kaya lang po, mag-amend yun. Amendment yun, ma'am. Yes. So, but for example po, upon application, gusto na niya na iba, yun po yung piliin niya. Kumbaga, ano lang po ito, kumbaga, ito lang po yung nakaset sa atin. If in case si client, no, what if, how do you call this? Kung ano po yung set na defaulting company, it's really just to let it accumulate. But if the client wants to change it, wala pong problema. Sila po ang may options niyan. Yan. Pwedeng baguhin. Hawak po nila yan kung paano po nila yan gustong gamitin, no? At the same time, no, there are riders that you can attach to your PruLove for Life. No, hindi ko na po yan iisa-isahin, no, in the interest of time. But these are the different riders available, no. So aside from the basic coverage that we have for the client for PruLove for Life, syempre pwede pong maglagay ng riders, but of course, with their own terms, no, and of course, additional premium. So ito po yung mga pwedeng riders na mailagay sa kanya. Right? So, yes po. Question po ba? Yes, wala pong concept ng accelerated, no? Lahat po, kumbaga, if there's anything that you have to note when it comes to traditional, everything is finite. Kumbaga, everything is set, no? Parang lahat pre-computed, no? Kaya siya guaranteed. Okay? Now, for the next, sorry, ayan. Okay. So, kanina nyo po pwedeng i-market, no, yung PruLove for Life natin. So of course, no, since it is affordable, no, and also provides you quite the coverage, no, pwede po siya sa mga early starters, sa mga young adults, pwede po siya, no. So they can use this as their first insurance plan, no, and pwede nila tong gamitin in a way, no, to save up for any purchases that they might want, no? Kasi ito po, since the coverage is until age 100 and kontrolado nila ano yung gusto nila, 5, 10, 15, 20 na payment, no? So ang maganda po dyan, they can set aside something already and get protected right away. Okay? So again, is based on our experience, no, a lot of people loves the limited pay, no, yung merong term set number of years that they will have to pay. So maganda po yun para sa mga ganong tao. Now, aside from the young adult, of course, dyan din po yan for our breadwinners. Yan mawawala, no, because it's their income that needs to be protected. So if they want something na, again, would provide them good coverage, no, ma-protect yung family nila from in case of any illness. Kasi again, si PruLove for Life po, pwede ka maglagay ng riders also, no? So to protect our insured. So pwede po si PruLove for Life. And finally, pwede po siya sa mga mahilig magplano. Kasi nga, may definite number of years, no, that you have to pay, and they can choose whether that's 5, 10, 15, or 20. So sa mga taong mahilig po magplan, kailangan ko magbayad ng ganitong amount for this period, no? This product is also perfect for them, no? A good starter plan for those who wants to be protected right away, no? And wants na, okay, I want to maximize my income earning years. So ito po yung perfect plan for those types of people. Right? Are we clear so far? Yes? Okay. So, kung wala na po kayong questions, I'll take this time to stop a little bit and ask kung may questions po kayo, because for the next part, si Jasper na po ang magdi-discuss.
Ayan. Thank you, Pat. Ang ating PruLove for Life.
Hi, may phone-in question,
Yes po.
Miss Pat.
Yes po.
For the additional riders, for example, the client opted to add critical illness in the policy. Sorry. And then, for example, 20 years. And then, possible din ba siya na to use the cash value in the future, just in case that on the 15th year, ayaw na niya magbayad to pay for the premium? Is that
May
possible?
certain riders lang.
What are those riders po?
If I'm not mistaken, HIB rider, and I forgot the another rider, pero hindi lahat po. Possible yun. I will get back to you on that, Miss Daff.
Alright.
Yung pwedeng pambayad if ever yung cash value to the
For
to the
riders.
riders.
Yeah,
Yes.
Alright, sige. Thank you, Sir Jasper.
Jasper, lalabas ba siyang loan? Parang ganun. Premium loan. to pay for.
Yes, oo. Lalabas siyang premium loan po. Since kukuha siya sa cash value pambayad ng rider mo.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ang question ko, Pat, is yung guaranteed protection sa last slide mo.
Mm.
It's not because of guaranteed yung death benefit, no? Because it will still be dependent on the claims process. So it's mostly because of the NFOs. So kumbaga mas guaranteed siya versus yung sa kasi guaranteed yung versus yung sa VUL plan na hindi 'di ba? Tama ba? It's that, no? Kasi it can be yung cash value converted to a term. Anyway, all the NFOs. Is that the reason why you put that there in the slide na
Yung guaranteed
coverage?
protection kasi, sir, is really una guaranteed yung amount ng protection ni client for that period. But at the same time po, it's not just the NFOs really, but kung titingnan niyo po kasi traditional in general, no? Yung coverage niya kasi is, 'di ba, how do you say this? Una, your coverage is until age 100. Tapos the payment period is also set. So kung si client po nabayaran niya yung period na yon, covered talaga siya until age 100. That makes it guaranteed. No, but at the same time, if the client cannot pay anymore, no, there is an option that we use the cash value, no, as a loan to pay for the premium, which makes sure that the how do you call that? The protection continues. But also, syempre po, kailangan, since loan din yun, kailangan din po mabayaran. Now, Sir Boots, I want to add lang din po, no, what if may loan si client and something happens, no, to the client while there is a loan? So you can expect that the death benefit will be the sum assured minus the outstanding loan. No, so ang in-insure niya lang is really covered si client, no, for the amount, pero yung loan babawas din po dun sa death benefit if ever man may loan, whether that was a loan because of a premium deducted or a personal loan taken by the client. Yun po siya. Na-clear ko ba, Sir Boots?
Yes. Very clear. So guys, is that clear?
To everyone po, may question po ba?
Super galing yung discussion mo, Pat. Talagang
Ay,
hinimay mo yung mga basics. We need that. Thank you so much.
All right. So ngayon po, Sir Boots, if I may, I will turn over the discussion na to Jasper for the next part of the traditional products that we will be introducing to the group.
All right. Thank you very much, Pat, for discussing the first part of our traditional products that we're going to offer to our prospective and existing clients. I believe I already discussed for this branch yung first traditional that we offer way back 2021. That is Pru Health Fam Lab. That is a term traditional plan. So we continues developing different traditional products like the Pru Love for Life. This is a limited pay whole life plan. It's purely protection. Now, I'm going to discuss the saving. There's a savings component within the traditional product. So we call it the True Love Wealth. So before that, I would like to emphasize who are the clients that you're going to top in terms of this product, the True Love Wealth. And what is the difference between the True Love Wealth compared to the previous product that discussed by Pat? First, if you're thinking a client that there is some money which you can use for discretionary expenses like investment, like meron siyang spare money, no, na gusto niyang ilagay sa isang investment component na product, this is a good avenue that you can offer to them. Second, if your client wanted to have a better return than what most time deposit products provide, mas higher yung return compared to our traditional time deposit products that offered in the bank. And also, if your clients are cautious because of the losses you incurred in your past investment. So, good thing about this product, guaranteed po and lock-in po in terms of the payout. So, hindi na po kayo kakabahan if If your client's asking, bakit ano nangyari sa investment ko, ano nangyari sa money ko, this product will answer that questions, no? So nandun na hindi na po tayo kakabahan kapag nag-ask sa atin si client, since guaranteed nga po ang binibigay nitong product na ito. So this is additional benefits that work your money, since there is a payout na makukuha si client. So we'll discuss now the features and benefits of this product. From the previous product that's discussed by Pat, no, the product na True Love for Life, participating siya, but for the True Love Wealth, non-participating po siya. Ibig sabihin, there's no dividends po. Alright? This is a traditional plan also. So, hindi po siya VUL. Alright? So, ang pinapalabas lang na investment part will be the payout. Okay? Hindi po siya VUL. So, this is a single pay coverage until 7 years old. Kaya ang target market later on we'll discuss ano po ba yung pwede kong ita for this market. This is a Filipino peso currency, and a good thing about this product, meron pong APE recognition na 10% of the premium. Sa contest po natin, may 10% additional and also 6% if MDRT po. If nakapagbenta po kayo ng True Love Wealth. Yung contest credits, I mean. And the issue ages for this product, 7 days old, as early as 7 days old to 60 years old. And the minimum premium for this one is at 500,000 pesos. And the underwriting is GIO. There's a 7 questions only. And kapag nag-yes na tayo sa isang question na doon, hindi na po tayo pwede for this product. So 7 question lang po ang kailangan nilang sagutan for this product. And the GAO limit is maximum single premium limit at 100 million po per life basis po. Alright? Again, this is a single premium po. 500,000 is the minimum. Okay. What is True Love Wealth? So True Love Wealth offers a wealth of guaranteed benefits for 7 years, and the client will receive an annual cash payout of 4% of the single premium. It means if 500,000 po yung kanyang single premium na binayad, 4% of that will be the payout annually po. Binibigay po yan sa ating client. On top po ito ng kanyang benefits, the payout. Okay? And upon policy maturity of this policy, if ma-outlive niya po itong True Love Wealth po, the money remains intact, single premium paid in return 100% po. Alright? Ibabalik lang po natin yung binayad niyang single premium if ever po walang nangyari po sa kanya throughout the 7 years or nag-matured na po yung policy niya at the end of 7 years. Who are your, how you can position this product? So you can position this for businesswoman, or they wanted to have a guaranteed investment or guaranteed payout, since there is a payout 4% for 7 years. So the computation again depends on the single premium that your client pays for this plan. And 100% return of premium upon policy maturity. And the good thing about the life insurance coverage, we're going to pay 125% of the single premium. Yan po yung ating life insurance coverage, and you are covered until 7 years only. Since ang thinking ng client na ito is will be benefit to the payout na 4% per year. Gusto niya lang na ma-beat niya po yung time deposit or the traditional time deposit na ino-offer ng ating mga banks. Okay? So you can top the ultra high network clients, H&W clients, and affluent clients for this product, since medyo pricey nga po yung ating premium with regards to ating True Love Wealth po, since we're topping the high net worth clients with a 500,000 single premium. Okay, so how you can position this product? So the guaranteed returns with security on their investments, in lock-in na rin po yung ating 100% return premium upon policy maturity. Returns in terms of the payout, guaranteed po yan, per percent, lock-in na po yan. And protection na 125% of the single premium po, yung kanyang life insurance coverage. Insight. So you can interview your client in terms of the investment part niya kung they are after with a payout. So this is a good product that you can position, and you can have financial needs analysis in terms of the benefits and features kung para po sa kanila itong product na ito. So you can offer through sales presentation and discuss the benefit of the features and the benefit and features of this product. So ganun po siya kabilis i-discuss sa ating mga kliyente. Straight through process rin siya, no, GIO, and yun na po yung kanyang benefits. All right? May questions po ba or clarifications to our True Love Wealth? Ayan. Kung wala na po, I will turn over to our last speaker for our newest product that we're going to launch sometime July. Let me call on our head of True Leadership Academy, Mr. Joel Hossan.
Hello everyone, good morning again. Thank you Jasper, and again si Pat, maraming salamat. So as mentioned by Jasper, no, yung i-discuss kong product which is True Lifetime Income, ito po ay ilo-launch hopefully by June. Ang commitment naman nila mga around second week of June yung launch niya. And that is the reason, may question muna si Daph kay Sir Jasper. Sige, go.
Or,
Yes po, anong
Kasi baka-
question po?
question ko lang, dun sa loob ng 7 years, just in case that the client change his mind to, withdraw the money. So, ang makukuha niya, let's just say on the 5th year, we have a corresponding cash value, right? Dun sa,
Yes.
technically, the client will not get, for example, he invested 1 million. And then, on the 5th year, biglang sinabi niya na, sige, super kailangan ko, I need to, withdraw ng money. So, yung makukuha lang ni client is yung sa cash value. Is it correct?
Yes, we have a computation that we call it the total surrendered cash value, since iso-surrender niya na yung policy niya. So nandun naman sa ating proposal, no, makikita naman natin kung ilan na ba yung cash value niyo at that time ng 5 years, 6 years, or 7 years. Tapos nandoon po sa dulo yung tinatawag na total surrendered cash value po. So yun lang po yung makukuha niya. And yung mga future na payout po, wala na rin tayong ibibigay since surrender niya na yung policy niya, and the policy will be terminated as well.
Alright. Yung wala na siyang additional withdrawal charge. Kung ano na lang yun nandun sa how much yung total cash value, that will be the, ang daming tumatango. Okay, I think that's,
Yes.
alright.
Net na po
Okay.
yun. Yung makukuha niya dun sa kanyang total surrender cash value.
Alright, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Ayan. Again, thank you, Pat, and thank you, Jasper. So, yung products na diniscuss ni Pat at saka ni Jasper, ano na po ito? Existing products, traditional products that we are offering, that we have. And yung mga materials po na meron dito are already signed out. And most likely, na ipadala na po ito sa inyo lahat. Okay, ngayon, ang request ko lang dun sa product na i-discuss ko ngayon, hindi na namin linakay sa background natin. I-request lang namin na wag muna siyang i-screenshot. Okay, wag rin nyo rin munang ipagkalat sa social media. Although I think the call is recorded, no? But after this, ano na lang muna siya, per personal use muna. Wag muna nating broadcast kasi wala pa tayong official sign-off no training deck and training materials. This is initial, for training purposes lang ito. Usually ganun naman, kahit I think nung True Love Wealth, nung launch namin siya, may disclaimer din tayo bago mag-start. Hindi naman po magtatagal, siguro few weeks, hopefully week from now, meron ng official presentation material, pati marketing collaterals naman ini-email din sa inyo yan ng team ng marketing, no, sila Mark Balino. Pakihintay na lang po yun, no, kasi ayoko po mabilanggo sa Malaysia. Joke lang. Ayun, so confidential pa siya. Okay, of course, we're securing some approvals pa rin with the different departments and with our compliance team. So, ano na lang muna for your appreciation lang muna yung slides, ha? No forwarding muna and no screen capture. Okay? So, dito tayo ngayon. It's still a traditional product, no? And if you're talking about protection and at the same time savings, yun yung ina-address ng Pru Lifetime income na product natin. Again, this is not an investment product because this is a traditional life insurance. Now, let's see yung mga salient features ng products na ito. So, let's proceed. Okay. Ang tawag sa kanya is Pru Lifetime Income. Okay? PLI. Okay? Pru Lifetime Income. Medyo mamimiss muna natin yung love dun sa pangalan. Pero ito ay lifetime naman. So, Pru Lifetime Income. So, let's proceed. That's the official name of the product. Parang similar to dun sa slide ni Jasper kanina, no? Some thoughts. If you are looking for a guaranteed long-term cash benefit, when you talk about long, di ba? Kaya sana all lifetime na tama. Kaya lifetime ang pangalan niya kasi long-term cash benefit ito hanggat buhay may makukuha si client. Kaya siya long-term. As you can see, yung diniscuss kanina ni Jasper, for 7 years may payout ka. Later on, pag diniscuss ko yung details ng produkto, makikita ninyo, ang payout nito, hanggat buhay si client, merong payout. Kaya siya long-term. Literal, long-term, lifetime. Okay? And of course, if you want stable, because this is traditional life, no? And then at the same time, some appreciation in your investment. Okay? Kung sa tingin mo, linagay mo ito, later on, if you compute it, meron siyang kahit paano return, no? Hindi siya equal ng kung ano yung ibinigay mo, medyo mataas ng konti. A little capital appreciation, this is a product for you. And if you have clients that has some money to spare for the next 5 to 10 years, so because this product, not to preempt it, is being offered, no, meron kayong 5 years to pay and meron kang 10 years to pay, 2 options, and then additional benefits that's worth your money, this is the product for you. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ano ba itong Pru Lifetime Income, no? So, this is still a part, no, ng ating product na rino-roll out, traditional life, no? Since we started itong 2021, this year, nag-launch din tayo ng Pru Love Wealth. Last year, diniscuss ni Pat, this 2024, we continue to deliver value to our customers na naghahanap po, looking for a guaranteed protection, okay? Para ma-address yung income preservation, if you have needs for education, retirement, allowing them to diversify their wealth and their financial portfolio, this is the answer. Okay? Kumbaga po, if you have existing clients that have PruLink, PAAyan, PruLink Exact Protector, PruLink Exact, PIA, no? Pwede itong idagdag do sa portfolio nila. But this will offer you naman, ang kaibahin nito is it's offering guaranteed payouts, no, guaranteed and aside from guaranteed payout, guaranteed protections because this is a traditional life product. Okay? So, let's proceed. Ito na po, no, yung product features ng Pru Lifetime Income product natin. So, you can see it is a participating plan. So, kanina yung mga diniscuss, non-participating, ibig sabihin walang dividends. So, this product has dividends kaya siya naging participating. Now, yung in-explain ni Pat kanina, konsepto ng whole life, buong buhay. So this is a whole life traditional product. So papasok dito yung konsepto ng H100. Okay? Pero, no, ang kagandahan dito, yung payment, hindi till 100. Kasi di ba maraming types ng traditional ang whole life na product. Meron ka ng ordinary whole life wherein you're required to pay as long as you're alive till age 100. But another variation of that, no, ng whole life, meron kang limited pay. So, ibig sabihin, covered ka, protected ka till age 100, but then, ang difference po dito, yung payment period, hindi till age 100. Limited lang. And to be specific about it, you have an option to pay for 5 or 10 years. Ang benefit niya is till age 100, currency is peso. Okay? Yun lang muna. Wala pang iba. Okay? No word yet regarding kung maglalabas ng dollar. Entry age po is 7 to 60 years old. magkano ang minimum investment or minimum sum assured, okay, na pwede kong maging protected no dito sa product na ito, it's 250,000 pesos. Okay, now yung maximum it's similar to ProLove Wealth kanina, subject to the insurer's limit, no? So wala naman tayong kinap na maximum. Kung meron tayong client na mas mataas ang kailangan, okay lang. Later on, papakita ko yung mga band, no? Kung hanggang saan pwede. Kung lumagpas doon, yun yung papa-approve natin sa reinsurer natin. Now, ito na. Death and maturity benefit, kung mapapansin po ninyo, twice, double, 200% ng sum assured. Yun po ang kanyang death benefit. Or maturity benefit, kung ang kliyente po ninyo or ang policy holder ay buhay pa till age 100, magmamature na yung plan niya, makukuha niya po doon is yung 200% ng sum assured. Okay? Later on, we'll have illustration for that, no? So sabihin na lang natin, ang sum assured mo, 1 million. Okay? So in case of death, no, ang matatanggap niya, 200% nun. So that's times 2, that's 2 million. Okay? Ganon din. Kung buhay siya till age 100 at 1 million yung sum assured niya, 2 million yung makukuha niya in case buhay pa siya till age 100, nag-mature na yung policy. Now, concept of payout, this is similar to ProLove Wealth na diniscuss kanina ni Jasper, but ang difference dito, magsisimula po ang payout year 6, policy year 6. Doon po magsisimula ang payout. So, initially, no, siguro naglalaro sa isip ninyo, o kung 5 years yung kinuha ko, magbabayad ako ng 5 years, after ko mabayaran yun, on the 6th year, doon pa lang ako magkakaroon ng payout. Okay? Sige, tuloy natin. Sample. Okay. Core product features, no? It's the same. No, since this is a life insurance product, hindi pwedeng mawala yung death benefit. In case of death, may makukuha siya. And that's 200%. Okay? Now, maturity benefit, in case na buhay, pag nag-mature yung plan niya, we will give out the maturity benefit. Okay? So, ang maturity, since this is whole life, pagka whole life, lagi yan ang corresponding age, 100 years. So, maturity benefit will be given at age 100. If buhay pa po siya nun. Centenarya na siya, may maturity benefit pa siya. Okay? Next, guaranteed cash payouts starting on policy year 6. And meron din po itong cash values. So on top of the cash payouts that we give starting policy year 6, nag-accumulate din po siya ng cash value. No? Now, bukod sa cash payout, bukod sa cash value, meron pa siyang dividends. Dami, di ba? And ang kagandahan po dito, pwede na mag-travel sa buong OO by age 100. Kaya pa yan, di ba? Nang walang wheelchair, okay? Ang last nito, flexible payment options. Because this is traditional life. So they have an option to pay, okay? Monthly, semi-annual, quarterly, or annual. Okay, so yan yung mga core product features na meron tayo. Now, let's proceed. By the way ha, kung may questions, type nyo lang, pero hold nyo muna yung inyong mga horses dahil baka mamaya doon sa susunod na slide, yun yung tanong ninyo, meron naman tayong detalye. Actually, ito yung isa sa pinakamahabang presentation kasi ito most likely yung first time nyo maririnig, no? Kasi yung mga diniskat ni Pat at saka ni Jasper kanina na attendan nyo na. Ito, I think, baka this is the first time na roll out. So, medyo mas detailed siya. So, konting ano lang rin tayo, pacing, no? Okay, as mentioned kanina po, yung lifetime protection benefit na sinasabi natin na makukuha ng inyong loved ones, okay, is 200% nung sum assured. Okay? Now, hindi lang yon. In case na meron kayong dividends na naipon, okay, kasama yon. And then, kung meron kayong payout, hindi nyo siya winidraw or hindi nyo siya kinuha, hinayaan nyo lang din doon, okay, i-add din yon. In case na magkaroon ng death, okay, magbabayad tayo ng death benefit, kasama yon, or in case mag-mature na yung plan ninyo. Pero, katulad ng mga design natin ng mga products kanina, kung meron kayong outstanding na loans, okay, pag magki-claim na yung inyong mga yung insured, no, yung inyong beneficiaries, ile-less natin kung ano man yung mga loans na naipon doon, no, yung mga interest, kasama yon sa ibabawas natin. Now, later on, i-discuss ko sa succeeding slides natin, depende po yan, ano, yung pong sum assured, definitely yan makukuha ninyo ng death benefit nyo or in case na mag-mature yung plan ninyo. Pero kung pag-uusapan natin kasi dividends, may option kayo later on kung ano yung pwede ninyong gawin dun sa dividends. Kung iniwan nyo lang yan at hindi pinipayout sa inyo, kasama yan sa makukuha ng beneficiaries in case na namatay si insured. Okay? Now, kung hindi nyo rin kinuha yung payouts, although starting on policy year 6, nagbibigay na tayo ng payouts natin, hindi nyo kinuha, makukuha rin yan, okay? In case of death ng beneficiary at saka yung maturity benefit in case na survive nyo or buhay kayo till age 100. Okay? Later on, we'll have a detailed illustration yan pong aking ini-explain ngayon para mas maintindihan nyo, no? In a form of illustration. Now, okay? Na-explain ko na po itong portion na to, no? If the life insurance survives the policy maturity date at age 100, ibibigay na po natin yung maturity benefit. Hindi na natin nahawakan yung kaniyang money. I-out na yan talaga at age 100. Okay? So, ganun din po, yung maturity benefit, walang pinagkaiba doon sa in-explain ko kanina, 200% siya, plus dividends, plus payout. So, iniwan niya doon, less any loans. Now, it's a concept ng traditional life. If ever, no, meron tayong child's lien kung ang insured po ay bata, you're looking at ages 0 to 5%. We will not give 100% sum assured. Okay? So, kung ang pong bata ay halimbawa nasa 4 to less than 5 years old, 80% lang po nun ang matatanggap ng sum assured. Hindi full. Magsa-start po yung 100% sum assured pag sampa ho ng 5 pataas nung bata. And we're speaking of at the time of death. So ano po yan? Meron tayong applicable po yung child's lien dito sa product na ito. Okay? So, ayan. Halimbawa, no, dito sa ating image, si Mark, okay, na hindi tahimik, I'm sure, 35 siya at siya ang life insured, okay? Nagbayad siya ng premium na 365,050, okay? Yan ang premium na binabayaran niya. Kasi ang sum assured niya ay 1 million pesos. That's our example. Nagbabayad siya consistently, no, from year 1 to year 5 ng 365,000 pesos. Ang death benefit na makukuha niya, no, in case of death, sa period na yan, that's times 2, di ba? 200%. So, ang times 2 ng 1 million or ang 200% is 2 million. So, yun yung death benefit niya. Now, that's in case of death. Now, ang maturity process niya is at 2 million, yun po, nakapeg at age 100. Okay? Makikita po ninyo dito may mga asterisk yung 2 million. Okay? Yung disclaimer na yan, yun po yung nakalagay, ililess natin yung mga outstanding loans niya in case meron. Okay, doon sa death benefit or maturity proceeds na makukuha niya, kung meron man. Okay, kung meron man siyang loan. Okay, yun po yung nakalagay dun sa ilan. Okay, so yan ang simple, no, illustration. Okay, ng payout, ng pagbabayad ng death benefit and maturity. Okay, so from here, you have an idea. This is just a sample illustration, okay, of the proposal ng 5-year pay, okay? Most likely, ito yung proposal ni Mark na hindi ganong tahimik. Nakikita po ninyo, okay, nagbabayad siya ng 365,000 annually. Okay? Makikita po nyo yan, consistent, no, payout. We would just want to highlight dito po sa portion na ito, okay? Pag nakita po ninyo yung guaranteed death benefit niya, since ang sum assured niya 1 million, at any point, no, 2 million siya flat, times 2. Okay? So walang pinagkaiba. Kasi 1 million yung sum assured niya. Kaya makikita nyo, guaranteed, may 2 million siya. Now, there's a portion here, no, na by the way, bago ako magpunta dun sa death benefit, baka nakikita po ninyo yung cumulative annual premiums. Di ba 365,000 yung kanyang annual? So pag cumulative, ibig sabihin ina-add po yun on the second year. Binabayaran niya 365,000, pero kumbaga naka-illustrate dito kung magkano na yung nababayad niya. So yung 365 plus 365,050 times 2, 730,100. Okay, plus 365,050 on the third year, 1,095 na yung total. Kaya napansin niyo on the 5th year, ang total na premiums na binayad niya, yung 365,050 times 5, 1.825250. Yun po yun. Okay, pero ang binayaran lang niya talaga is yung 365. Pinapakita lang dito kung magkano na po kasi yung total. Okay, na nabayad. So, ang death benefit niya o throughout is a 2 million. Again, fixed po ito. Meron siyang guaranteed na cash value. Okay, so ito po yung cash value na meron siya. So, starting on the second policy year, meron na siyang 147,000 na guaranteed cash value. You might notice, no, yung mga figures na nandito medyo malalaki, and I think commensurate siya dahil malaki rin yung premium na binayaran niya. Okay? Kasi sa second year, 730,000 na yung total na nababayad niyang premium, and meron na siyang cash value na almost 142,000. Okay? Kasi mataas po yung premium. Now, you will notice that starting on the 6th year, again, this is guaranteed, nagkaroon na siya ng payout. 50,000 is how many percent of 2 million? Sige, sa magagaling sa math. Guaranteed cash payout of how much? Magkano po, ilang percent po yan? Yung 5% of sum assured. So yan po ang kanyang payout. So ang basis po ng payout natin is yung 5% nung death benefit. Nung guaranteed death benefit. Okay? Tama ba? Tama, no?
Sum assured.
50,000. Okay.
Sum assured.
Yes, sum assured, sorry. 1 million, not the 2 million. Sorry, tama. That's 5% of 1 million. Ang basis natin is yung sum assured, not the death benefit. Sorry. Okay, na-confuse ako dun sa nakaan. Okay, clear po? Okay, sige. So 5% of sum assured, that's 1 million times 5%, 50,000. Starting on the 6th year. Now, makikita niyo rin po dito, meron kang accumulation. Since this is a participating plan, nag-earn na siya ng annual dividend starting on the 3rd policy year. Okay, so meron ka ng 4,600. Now, ang design po nung pinaka-proposal natin, meron siyang accumulated portion. Okay? Pinapakita dito, kung sakaling hindi mo kukuhanin yung payout, tumataas siya every year. Okay? I-click na nga natin, Jasper, para makita. I think ito na yun yung may i-add ka. Tama? Ay, hindi pa pala. Sige, later on, papakita natin kung paano nag-derive, no, para hindi lang natin ma-preempt. Ito po kasi accumulated payout, okay, starting on the 6th policy year, every year tumataas yan, granting na iyan po ay hindi nyo kinukuha. Kasi may option kayo later on kung paano nyo kukuhanin yung payout. Pwedeng magstay dyan or pwede nyo kuhanin every year. Pag nag-decide kayo na withdraw nyo siya every year, para siyang ProLab Wealth, may i-declare kayo na bank account, doon i-credit, ipapasok yung 50,000 every year. And of course, pag yun yung pinili ninyo, wala ka ng amount dito sa accumulated payout kasi kinuha mo na siya. Kinukuha mo siya every year. Ito pong illustration na to, granting na iniwanan nyo lang siya. Okay? And at the same time, yung dividends din kasi may option din, di ba? Parang na-discuss to ni Pat kanina. Pwede nyo siyang pambayad ng plan or pwede mo siyang iwanan dyan. Okay, kung iiwanan mo siya, nag-i-interest din siya. Kaya pansinin nyo, accumulated dividends, tumataas din every year. Okay? And at the same time, you have here total living benefit. Okay? Total living benefit, ito po yung makukuha niya, granting na sinurrender niya yung plan niya, hindi niya tinapos. Okay? So, dyan tayo titingin sa total living benefit. And last is yung total death benefit. So, hindi lang siya purely 2 million. Okay? Di ba sabi ko sa inyo kanina, ang composition nung total death benefit, pwedeng i-add dyan yung mga accumulated payouts, and at the same time, kung yan po ay hindi naman niya kinuha. Okay? So, ina-add dyan yan. Pero, later on, yung pinakahuling sentimo na breakdown yan, papakita ko kung paano na-compute. Meron tayong slide for that. But this is, para ano lang to big picture lang siya. Okay? Di-discuss pa siya ng detailed mamaya. Okay? So, next slide na tayo. Okay? Sige. Ang guaranteed cash payout rate natin is 5% of the sum assured starting on policy year 6 hanggang mag-mature yung plan. So, hanggang age 100, meron kang payout na nakukuha. So, lifetime baka mo, literal, lifetime, meron siyang payout. Okay? So, annual po yan, annual payout siya. So, ang option nyo, pwede nyong kuhanin every year, pwede rin siyang iwanan doon to earn interest. The current payout po, accumulation rate is at 4%. Okay? Now, yan po as of the moment. Pwede bang tumaas? Pwede, no? Depende yan sa i-declare ng company natin. Okay? And speaking of payout, ayan, nakalagay naman po doon sa portion ng application form. Kung ayaw nyo pong i-withdraw yan, ayaw nyo pong i-credit sa account nyo, ayaw nyo kuhanin every year starting on the 6th policy year, pwede naman siya. Okay? Ilalagay nyo lang po, do you want to leave your guaranteed payouts to accumulate interest? So mag-yes lang kayo. Ngayon, pag nag-no kayo dyan, there's a portion on the application form na identify nyo kung saan i-credit yung payout starting on the 6th policy year. Okay? So yan siya. Next slide. Ganon din po, no? Dividend natin. Similar lang to sa sinabi ni Pat kanina, nasa 4%. Ang default option natin, left to accumulate and earn interest. Okay? Ito na siya. I think, tama ba, Jasper? Ito na yung may plus sa dulo pag clinic. Yan na ba yung slide na yun? Hindi pa rin. Ayan na! Okay. Sige. Balikan natin yung proposal kanina ni Mark. Sige, i-flash na natin lahat, Jas. Okay? Nakita nyo, nandito po yung guaranteed cash values. Di ba, na-explain ko na ito kanina, starting on the second policy year, nag-accumulate na siya. Ngayon, pag in-add nyo po dyan, nakita nyo po dito, there's an accumulated payout. Saan po nakuha yung accumulated payout? Granting po na hindi, okay, kinuha nung policyholder yung payouts niya. Nakikita nyo po dito, nag-accumulate lang siya and at the same time, nag-i-interest din siya. Okay? So nakikita ninyo, yung 50,000 sa susunod na taon, bibigyan ulit siya ng 50,000. Ang total nun, di ba, dapat nasa 100,000 na. Yun, yung mga butal nung nandyan, on top of the guaranteed 50,000, yun yung in-interest nung pera dahil iniwan nyo siya. Okay? Ito rin yung sinasabi ko kanina na mawawala yan kung ang dineclare ninyo every year ika-cash out. Kukunin nyo. Siyempre, wala na yan. Okay? Now, makikita nyo rin po dito yung non-guaranteed na accumulated dividends. So, starting on the second policy year, meron na siyang dividends. So, ganun din po yan, no? Kasi yung portion ng dividends, 4.6 siya on the third policy year, 7.3 siya on the end of the fourth policy year. Kung hindi nyo kinukuha yon, ina-add lang siya, tapos dinadagdagan ng konting interest, yun po yung value na makikita nyo doon sa kulay green, yung non-guaranteed accumulated dividends. Okay? Take note hindi siya simply na i-add mo. May makikita kayo, may butal. Kasi nga, nag-i-interest siya dahil iniwan nyo lang. Okay? So, tumataas ng konti. Okay? Now, yung total living benefit po na makikita nyo dito, ito yung portion na makukuha niya or amount na makukuha niya in case na sinorender niya yung plan, hindi na niya natapos. Ano po ang composition nun? Yung guaranteed cash values, yung accumulated payout, yun ay kung iniwan niya at hindi naman niya kinuha, i-add yun, plus yung non-guaranteed accumulated dividends, yun yung total living benefit. Yun yung makukuha niya upon surrender of the plan. Now again disclaimer, hindi po yan yung value na makukuha niya kung kinuha niya po yung payout. Hindi rin niya makukuha yan kung kinukuha niya yung dividendo every year. Okay? So, yan ay assuming po na iniwanan lang niya. But then, nakikita nyo nga po yung mga default option natin, earn to accumulate interest. Kasi nga, kumikita siya kahit iwanan mo. Diba? Hindi naman yan purely na iniwan lang, hindi nag-i-increase yung value niya. Tumataas pa rin naman, nai-interesan ng company pag iniwan. Okay? And then of course, yung inyo pong total debt benefit, nakalagay din po dito sa dulo. No? Ang composition ng total living, ng total debt benefit mo is 2,371. Ano ang inad dito sa 2 million? Saan po nanggaling yung 371,000? Addition po yan ng ano? Yung magaling sa math.
Accumulated payouts and
Yan.
accumulated dividends.
Okay. Pag in-add nyo po yung nasa kulay blue at saka nasa kulay green, sa 2 million, yun po yung total debt benefit. Granting na hindi nyo kinuha hinayaan nyo lang siya doon sa plan. Okay? Hindi kayo nag-payout. Ngayon, kung kinukuha nyo yan, meron pa rin kayo ng 2 million. Kung kinuha nyo yung payout, wala yung 270. Kung iniwan nyo yung dividend, plus yung 100,983. Yun ang iyong debt benefit. Okay? Clear po ba? Again ha, yung mga fine prints dun sa baba sample illustration above assumes that let accumulate and earn interest payout option was chosen by. Okay? So yan. Yan po yung sample illustration natin. And yun po yung component niya kung ano yung mga in-add dyan. Okay? By the way, nakikita ninyo ha, yung payout, putol lang kasi yung policy. Kulang po kami sa space. Pero yan po, starting at age 41, nag-start siya noong age 36, no? No 6th policy year, dire-diretso yan, 41 hanggang 100, meron siyang 50,000 na. By the way, again, wag malilito, nagbayad ka lang 5 taon. Okay? Kasi baka akala ng iba continuous ka rin nagbabayad. 5 taon ka lang nagbayad, pero yung payout mo consistent na yan hanggat buhay ka starting on the 6th policy. Sige. How do you find the product so far? Promising ba siya?
It's very good though, Joel. Actually,
Ah.
if you can go back to the previous slide.
Yes, go back to sa previous slide muna tayo.
Sa illustration, makita natin na pinapakita dito yung cost na 1.825 million. And if you look at the total living benefits, by year 14, bawi na siya. No?
Yes.
If we left to accumulate the payouts and the dividends, bawi siya. Bawi yung ang tawag dito, yung cost or the premiums paid. Where versus VUL, walang guaranteed portion yung sa VUL.
Yes.
So kahit na ini-illustrate natin, sometimes nag-equal na
Pwedeng
siya
bumababa.
hanggang 14, 15. Pero talagang suntok sa buwan yun kasi hindi natin alam kung anong performance ng market. But this one, there's a guaranteed portion there, which is the cash value, the orange one, and the blue, except for the interest earned by the accumulated payout. So at least yun, sure tayo na yun yung minimum na 100% bibigay natin.
Correct.
So it's really good. For me, it's a replacement of Elite.
Pwede siya, no? Pwede siyang panglaban talaga, no? Kasi
Oo,
makikita
pwede
ninyo
siya.
yung guaranteed cash values andyan. At saka, syempre, hindi natatapos doon yung anytime, because this is a life insurance product. Ito na naman ako sa pagiging purist ko sa life insurance. Saka makakita na product in the market, no, na ito pa lang yung amount na binabayaran mo. Ito, mas matindi. Times 2, 2 million, no? Times 2 yung sum assured, yung death benefit times 2 ng sum assured na makukuha mo. So, bonus, no, meron kang makukuha dyan, may mga payout siya, of course may cash value, may dividends, pero yung fact na in case of death, no, makakakuha ka ng twice of the sum assured, malaking bagay yun. Okay, so that's, kaya nakita ninyo 2 million, no?
May add
Okay.
lang ako, no, Joel, just quick one. Kasi nagtanong ako dito sa marketing natin about this product. Bakit ginawa pang times 2 yung sum assured? Hindi na lang ginawang equal yung sum assured sa death benefit, because that has been our practice ever since, no? Kung malilito tayo kung may dalawang values pa, may pareho. So the explanation, guys, is because of our competition in the markets. It's more marketing reason. Number one, we are publishing 5% guaranteed payout. Okay,
Yes.
of the sum assured, which is 1 million here in this example. Kung gawin natin magkapareho yan, it will be 2.5% lang of the 2 million kung yun yung sum assured, kung equal siya. So kumbaga, face value, if you put side by side yung poster produkto, 2.5% payout versus 5% payout, you will go for the 5% payout even if wala naman pala sila ng payout. No, so yung parang ganon. And also yung times 2 na sum assured, yun yung death benefit.
Yes.
Face value, parang ang ganda no, 200% versus yung, pero in fact, it's the same. So it's marketing reasons, guys. That's why there is a different sum assured and death benefit, ginawang ganun. So pinapareho lang natin sa market so we can, pwede natin siyang i-present like that.
Correct.
Ayun. Yun lang.
Kasi baka may ma-encounter kayo na nag-offer din na ibang plan from other life insurance company. So, yan, para at least hindi mahirap sagutin, or kumbaga parang hindi lang lamang na lamang yung makikita nung sa iba, no? So linevel lang natin siya, pinantay natin siya. Okay? Sige, let's continue. Okay? Now, ito po yung reason, no, kung bakit sinabi nating flexible payment option. Kasi pwede ka magbayad nga ng monthly. Napansin niyo, no, hindi ganun kamura yung product, no? Medyo pricey siya, no? But then, yun nga, you have an option to pay naman ng semi-annual, quarterly, or monthly. Kaya lang po mag-a-apply yung modal factor natin. So hindi ho siya simply divided by 2 or divided by 12 or divided by 3. Okay, mag-iiba ho yung premium rates. So I think meron tayong slide for that. Okay, kung magkano ang premium. Ayan po yung sample. So sa 1 million na sum assured na 365,000 annual, no, 5 years to pay. Okay, pag in-apply nyo po yung modal premium, ang lalabas po dito, no, 191,000 yung kaniyang semi-annual. Okay, so hindi siya, clearly, hindi siya dinivide by 2. Okay? Pagka ho divided by 4 naman, 104,000 and then 35,500 naman. Kung siya ay monthly. So again, hindi siya yung pwedeng, hindi siya simply na dinidivide. Nag-a-apply ang modal factor dito because it's traditional. Okay? But then, may option siya. Kung nabibigatan talaga, hindi siya porsado na magbayad ng annual lagi. Okay? Sige. So, ito po yung sa 5 years, ito naman yung sample pagka 10 years to pay. So, nakikita ninyo, syempre, pag 10 years to pay, mas mababa yung kanyang annual premium. Kasi mas tagal lang babayaran. Diba? Okay? Sige, let's proceed. Yun lang po yung sample natin for modal factor. Okay? Next is ayan, ito po yung mga band na sinasabi natin kanina, 'di ba? So kung more than 5 million na po siya, okay? Actually more than that pwede pa naman din ano. Ito lang yung concept na papasok yung reinsurer. Kung medyo mataas-taas na yung sum assured niya, sabihin natin na ang kliyente mo gusto mga 20 million doon, no? Subject to reinsurer na siya. Okay? But this is the illustration po kung magkano yung magiging premium nung inyo pong client. At age 10, 20, we're speaking here of the age of the insured po ito. Okay? So, tingnan nyo po yung age nyo ngayon dyan. Pili rin po kayo ng desired na sum assured na gusto nyo. Most likely po, yan ang inyong magiging premium. Granting na wala na ring attachments, di kayo mag-attach ng rider. Diyan po naglalaro yung premium. So nakikita ninyo, wala po ditong 5,000. Okay. Garahin natin yan. Medyo malaki-laki siya ng konti. Given naman talaga na ang produkto po kasi natin ay lifetime, may siya, lifetime payout yun. Okay? Again, walang talo dito ha, kasi portions na binabayad, binabalik rin naman natin sa kanila starting on the 6th policy year. So tutuloy na tayo. Clear po? Wala nang question dito, no? Illustrations lang naman to kung magkano yung projected premiums. Next. Ayan, parang slide ni Pat kanina, pwede rin kayo mag-attach ng riders, pwedeng TPD+, ADDP, AWP, TPD, and of course, pagka nag-attach po kayo ng rider, may corresponding rin po yon, increase dun sa premium na babayaran. Okay? Sige. Next is, ayan.
Joel,
Yes.
you can highlight yung yung coterminous for the riders. Coterminous with base plan because compared to correct my understanding if it's wrong. My understanding is for Pru lifetime income, the premium of the riders will end and up to the pay term versus yung Pru for life na continue siya even after the pay term. Tama ba? Understanding ko.
Sorry sir, ano yun? Yung pagbabayad ng
yung pagbayad ng premium for the riders for Pru lifetime income, it ends upon the end of the pay term, which is 5 or 10 years, versus Pru Love for life na tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung yung premium payments sa riders even if tapos na yung 5, 10, 20.
Okay. Sige sir, i-confirm ko yan ha kung pero hindi ako 100% sure no na same siya nung 5 years lang niya babayaran or 10 years. Jasper, do you have info on that ba? Or balikan natin sa
Si Pat?
Saan pa ba si Pat? Wala na si Pat. I think it depends on the riders, no? Ibig sabihin ng coterminous with base plan is the same payment of your basic plan. If 5 years lang, I think yung TPD plus. But I need to confirm with this regard with this product, no? Oo. Tingnan
kasi
lang
sa
po
iba,
natin.
Kung ano lang yung premium payment term, tama?
Yes, opo. Or after the paying period ng basic plan mo, you need to pay for your riders. May mga ganong plan rin po eh. Like
Okay.
for example, for True Love for Life, may mga riders na after the paying period, kunyari 10 pay, you need to pay the riders premiums.
Hmm.
So may mga ganun po.
Okay. Sige. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, sige. Tina-type na namin dun sa aming helpline. Sige, i-ano natin para at least tina-type ko lang siya para mabalikan natin bago matapos yung presentation, masagot natin sa
Thank
Jasper,
you.
pa-type na lang dun sa chat box para matuloy ko siya. Para
Sige po.
mabalikan natin agad sila. Okay? So,
Mm.
babalikan natin yung payment dun sa riders. Next slide na tayo. Okay? Again, receive guaranteed cash payouts for life and get 200% protection benefit. That's Pru Lifetime Income 5 and 10. So, ito lang po yung some insights na nakuha natin. Yung iba kasi talagang hindi pa rin sila ganun ka-confident, no? When it regards to sa finances nila, inisip nila, no, na baka mamaya hindi guaranteed, mawala, maubos, or anong gagawin ko. Nag-worry ako. I have safer protection. It's not enough and might be sacrificed due to sudden, di ba? May mangyari sa akin, maaksidente, magkaroon ng illness, or may mangyari, paano? Paano mangyayari sa family ko, no? Para sila magko-continue na mag-survive kung wala na ako. I need a guarantee that I will benefit from the money I place as premium. So ito na yung sagot dyan, no? Ngayon, maaaring may ma-encounter kayo, no, financial product, pero yon ang question kasi dito, lagi nilang mako-compare at mako-compare ito sa unit link na meron sila. No, again, iwasan natin, hindi natin kasi siya pwede ma-compare talaga apples to apples, no, with your unit link. Unit link will serve its purpose, traditional life product, mas isa-serve din niya yung purpose niya. So parang ano yung pino-point out ko dito, sana hindi maramdaman ng client ninyo na pag ino-offer ninyo na ay natalo ko dun sa hawak kong unit link, parang mas nagagandahan ako dito kasi dito guaranteed. Hindi po ganun yon. Kumbaga parang kung meron kang unit link, that will not stop you from again getting this traditional life product, this Pru Lifetime Income product. Iba yung kwento dun sa unit link niya and iba rin yung kwento dito sa traditional life na ino-offer ninyo. Okay, it just so happen nga in the most recent years, hindi ganon kataas pa yung accumulation ng unit link mo, no? But then, no, as long as hindi mo naman yan tineterminate, active pa rin yung policy mo, and long term rin naman, medium to long term ang tinitingnan mo, unit link will still serve its purpose. Okay? And now, kung naghahanap ka ng product na guaranteed na gusto mo on the 6th year, may bumabalik sa'yo, no? Kumbaga parang interest na ibabalik ulit, ito yung mga products na pwede mong kunin. No? Pwedeng ito, yung dinidiscuss ko ngayon, lifetime, pwede rin naman yung Pru Love Wealth. No? So maraming array ng products. Okay? Now, again, limited pay siya na whole life participating, may dividend siya, okay? It has guaranteed protection, and again, yung payout niya guaranteed. Okay, given starting from the end of 6th policy year until maturity provided yung insured buhay during ng payout period. Ha? Yung payout na yan, magta-terminate lahat, payout, dividend, pagka yung plan ay sinurrender or in case nabayad na po natin yung death benefit. Okay? So halimbawa, on the 10th year, no, may nangyari dun sa insured, terminated na yung plan kasi ibibigay na natin yung death benefit sa kanya during that time. Okay? For Pru Love for Life po, most riders are coterminous also with the base plan except for LCP and HI. Sorry po, nag-CR saglit.
Yes po, Sir Joel, no, for our riders earlier, no. As you can see on the column here, if coterminous with the base plan, the paying period is the same with the base plan, but except with
Mm.
our HI rider, if there's a HI rider available for our Pru Lifetime Income, you need
Mm.
to pay uh even after the premium paying period of your base
Mm.
plan. So ibig sabihin kung natapos mo 10 years yung paying period ng base plan mo, if you have the HI rider, you continuously paying the premiums of that rider.
Ayan.
But for the riders that you can see on your screen is coterminous with your base plan. Kung 5 years, 5 years rin po yung babayaran nyo. 10 years, 10 years rin po yung babayaran nyo with your riders. Alright?
Sigurista tayo, 'di ba? Kasi kung kung i-explain ko ano ko yung coterminous with base plan yun na yun eh. No? Talagang hinold pa natin. Gusto natin sigurado mahirap mako.
Ayan po.
Okay, so
Thank
coterminous
you.
with the base plan. So, na-answer na natin. Okay? So, key selling proposition, ito yung pwede ninyong bentahe kung baga ng product natin. Guaranteed siya income for life. Ano pa bang mas gaganda doon? 200% protection benefit for your loved ones. And yun nga, no, hindi ka required magbayad ng tuloy-tuloy or ng matagal na panahon. Either 5 or 10 years. Okay? So kahit ano pa yan na profile ng client mo, there's a full lifetime income traditional product package that will fit your client. Okay? Sige, let's proceed. Application via Pro1 only. So individual application form, hindi to GIO ha, regular underwriting tayo dito with the health questionnaires. Okay? Pwede ka multiple policies subject to limits din. Okay? So, ito na siya. Naku, my gosh. For internal circulation use only. Yan. Huwag niyo munang i-ano ha. Baka mamaya nakapost na to sa Facebook kapag kukukoroting ko kayong lahat. Pero hindi naman na yan mababago. Pero yan na rin yun. Talaga si Jasper inurong. Yan yung
Natakot ako eh.
Natakot. Akala mo bawal pakita. Hindi, pwede naman na siya. No? So, yan po yung commission. So, papansinin nyo, nabubuhay muli. Okay, yung range ng 35%, ng 40%. So, medyo mataas-taas ang mo dito, ang commission. Bakit? Kasi naman mataas yung premium at saka yung premium paying period ninyo mataas din. 5 years and 10 years naman yung option. Okay? Happy ba kayo dito? Kahit papaano, no, slightly happy naman compared sa 10%. Hindi na RT sa 30%. Okay? So, yan po. Very happy. Okay. Mukhang pinaglaban ni Sir Boots tong commission na to. Feeling ko mababa to dati. Target launch. Ayan na mga kapatid. First week of June. Ayan. Sabay-sabay po nating ipag-novena. Okay. Yung target launch date natin. First week of June yan. Okay? So, may mga rollouts tayo pa na natitira, no. Kung gusto niyo, kasi to parang siya, no, high level presentation, marami pa tong mga detalye. So, I encourage everyone to attend yung regular run talaga. Kasi yung 3 hours 3 hours or 2.5 hours. Attend kayo nun. Pero at least meron na kayong idea, no, kung ano itong product na ito. And that will complete yung roster ng product offerings natin. So, in any portion, protection man yan, for education, etc., no, anumang stages ng life na meron ang inyong kliyente, mayroong corresponding to life product na pwede kayong i-offer. Diba? Para ako may timer, natapos ako ng 9 o'clock. My gosh, 1.5 hours ang ginugol natin. Hopefully, productive po itong gabing ito sa inyo. Nag-enjoy kami kasama kayo. Okay.
Grabe, galing on the dot.
On the dot. Parang may time na. Alam niyo ba na hindi kami nagte-training ng gabi? Matagal na.
Thank you so much, Sir Joel,
Ayun.
Pat,
At
and Sir
correct.
Jasper.
Hindi namin matanggihan si Sir Boots eh. Kaya nandito kami. Hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, tatlo pa.
Hindi ko nga in-expect na tatlo kayo. Grabe.
Full
Full
force.
force.
Grabe.
Ayan. Kasi para pag may tanong, maraming backup, mabalikan namin agad.
Yeah. Especially
Ayan.
bago kasi yung product, so
Correct.
tayo talaga learning. Dun sa
I hope na-appreciate niyo yung product and sana this time, no, alam mo yon, marami kayong may offer. Ma-offer niyo tong product na bago, yung true lifetime income natin. Thank you, guys!
Super appreciate, guys, the effort. Joel, Jasper, Pat, grabe, ibang level. And we're really looking forward to this product to be launched. And guys, balik lang ako dun sa commission. Commission talaga yung highlight. So,
Yeah.
meron palagay dun na monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, tsaka annual kasi may modal factor siya. So, iba hindi siya yung dinidivide lang by 12 just to get that monthly premium. Mas mataas yung magiging cost for the client if it's monthly. Mas makakatipid kung annual pay. And that's also, I think, being encouraged by the company to go annual. Kaya mas mataas yung commission ni annual pay. So, yun lang yun. Kasi all of these are very, very new to us. And thank you so much sa paghimay ng mga specifics, Joel, Jasper, and Pat, grabe, iba yung ano, ibang level. So, and kahit na last minute and kahit na gabi, talagang all out kayo. So, thank you so much. Paano kami makakabawi sa inyo?
Benta lang.
Benta lang, benta lang.
So
Sige,
kaya
sige.
yung SD nyo at si Anshay. Thank you everyone.
Thank you guys. May question pa kayo? You guys have
Oo.
questions? More
Hi,
questions?
Chuck.
Questions? RA
Hello
Financial?
po, hello.
Ayan. Overflowing appreciation on the chat box. Thank you so much, no?
Thank
Sa ating
you.
Full Force team na nandito. Ayan. I think wala na silang question. Babawi daw sa benta. Ayan. For the Brew Lifetime. Actually, no, sir, dun sa unit GC namin, meron na daw yun daw yung third policy niya as agent. Meron na
Perfect.
nagsabi. Gusto daw nila yun. Ayan. So, ayan. All right. Thank you
So
so
just to ano lang, just to highlight also, RA Financial as the I think hindi ko alam kung up to now, no, but in recent weeks we have been highlighted as the highest percentage in terms of trad licensed agents. And so let's take advantage of this. Yung highlight nga dun sa training natin, di ba, Joel, na we need to really keep up with the changes. And I think we have been using VUL as a tool to manage and plan for the finances of our clients. So let's maximize this. Ipasok natin yung guaranteed features, cash value, dividends, annual lifetime payouts. Those are good things that we can offer to our clients. Kaya ngayon pa lang, kahit wala pa yung lifetime income, we're already training you guys so that we can be maximizing this. I'm sure PruLife will release incentives para mabenta talaga itong new product na to. Meron na akong idea. But so yun. Let's take advantage of this, guys. Thank you again.
Thank you, everyone. Good
Salamat
night.
po.
Ayan,
Bye.
RA Financial, please stay behind. Meron lang few announcements, no? Before we go tonight. Ayan. Can you see my screen? All right. So, can you see my screen? All right. Ayan. So, RA Achievers Club, no? Upgrade Tuesday. We would like to acknowledge, of course, our national achievers. First up is the sectoral achiever, no? Ronaline Makasheb, Mon Buela, Maria Lourdes Igaya, year-to-date sectoral achievers. Ayan, congratulations. And of course, our NAC, no, before mag-RA conference by June, dapat minimum NAC na po tayo. And it will be really be helpful if we can also maximize our traditional products that was, taught a while ago. So, national achievers, Cleveland Crisostomo, Jerome Padilla, Melissa Ahutay, Albert Rehante, Denmark Coronel, Chuck Crisostomo, and myself, Daftan. Ayan, year-to-date, congratulations to our NACs. And of course, our senior achiever year-to-date having at least 2 million na to ang ating leader, no? BM Boots Peteza, Godofredo Peteza III, congratulations as our senior achiever year-to-date. Alright. So sa ating mga rookies at mga first-timers this year, no, sectoral achiever is at 500,000, 10 cases. Don't forget your persistency should be at 85%. No, moving forward, ano po ba ang binibigyan ng HMO? National achiever and above. So take note, national achiever should be 750,000, 12 cases with 85% persistency. And this year, for senior achiever, elite achiever, and star achiever, you will only need 12 cases for your case count, no? So, minsan lang po yan. And for our star achiever, it's gonna be 3.5. Last year was 4.750. This year, 3.5 million. So, why not take advantage of our star achiever national? This is the highest actually, yung star achiever natin. And once ma-hit mo yan, of course, SCIC ka na. Meron ka nang kasama ka na sa Spain, Seville, Spain. Ayan. And of course, please block your calendar on July 13. No excuses. This is face-to-face. We have announced this early on. So please take your submit your leave. Kung may pasok po kayo nito, 3 o'clock to 7 p.m. If you are a recruiter, an AUM, it's your responsibility as well to inform your recruits to join us on July 13. And of course, we are looking forward to recognize our National Achievers Club dito sa RA Conference. So, this May until June, ilaban po natin yan, minimum national achiever. But of course, we want to achieve the Osaka, Japan, diba? 2 million para lahat tayo happy at maka-travel. Ayan. So, aside from that, MDRT PCA 2024, congratulations to our newest qualifier, Catherine Chang. Hello, Cathy. Congratulations. Nilaban.
Congrats, Cathy.
Talagang nilaban ni Catherine Chang ang
Thank you.
Ayan.
Congratulations.
And of course, our PCA MDRT Beijing contenders, Denmark Coronel, Cleveland Crisostomo, Mon Buela, Chuck Crisostomo, our BM Boots Peteza, and myself, Daftan. We are looking forward to have more qualifiers dahil we have more have days to come pa. Marami pang oras para lumaban. And I think as of today, we have the highest sa branch, tama ba yun, BM? With the highest number of qualifiers, and that's really something to be proud of. All right. And of course, our leader level, as MDRT builders, Chuck Crisostomo, BM Boots Peteza, and myself, Daftan. So we have 17 days to go before we end our MDRT PCA. This is the first time ever. Grabe, hanggang May, January hanggang May, 5 months, pinaglalaban ang MDRT PCA. So, grab your opportunity. So, announcement, on Friday, we have career preview, jump in with RA Financial. Our lovely host, are no other than Cleveland Crisostomo, Mayi, Catherine Chang, and Precious Cruz. If meron po kayong gustong ma-sharean ng livelihood or ma-empower sila na to join us here in this noble job, purpose-driven career, then invite them, to sit in and listen sa career preview na pwede nilang makuha dito na benefits sa ating work as a financial consultant. So, if mag-go po ang clients natin, push it forward for first week of June. May 16, actually, on Thursday, that's gonna be the deadline of June 1, 2024 na exam date. I believe, as per our RO kanina recruitment, ang open na lang po ay Makati and Alabang. So, the rest are closed already. So, if not, next is June 8 na po. June 8 and June 15. Please take note, may available slots po dito, pero first come, first serve. Una pong mag-pay at mag-register. Alright? So, ayan, please take a screenshot, June and July, so that matulungan din po natin ang ating mga recruits kung kailan po silang mag-exam. Alright? So, this Saturday, we have Jumpstart Training. This is a free training for our rookies, at Capital House, BGC Taguig City, sa office po natin sa RA Financial Office. So, ang lineup po natin ay magagaling na trainers. Kung meron kayong rookie na nahihirapan pa paano mag-prospect, ano ba yung mga products ko na kailangan i-offer, branding, paano ba ako magpa-branding, paano ba ako magpe-present kay client, this is the answer. We have a solution for you. If paano naman nakapag-attend na, pwede pa ba? Yes, of course. This is open to all. Pwede po kayong mag-review again, revisit, so that you can learn more from us. All right, so let's take a picture for our attendance tonight. Kindly open your cameras, lovely cameras, I hope that meron tayong natutunan for today's video. Ayan. All right.
Yung Jumpstart natin, guys, this Saturday, yung mga reprieve agents, you guys can join so
Yeah,
that
of
you
course.
can hit yung pending requirements nyo until end of June.
Yeah. May and June, I believe ang reprieve agents natin will be until June na lang. So this is your last chance to be with us with PruLife UK and RA Financial, So nasa sa inyo na yan kung gusto nyong lumaban at ilaban ang RA Financial being part of your life. Alright, sige, let's take a
Yan,
screenshot.
dahil pang di naka-open ng camera, guys. Open your cameras.
Ayan, sa page 2. Let me call on. Ayan, Hannah, Bea, Patrick, Rachel, Aleli, Tala, Cleveland, Jerome, Brian, Nad, Bernadette, Jaynard, Royal Phoenix, Osea, Robles, Hannah, who else? Ayan. So, we need your attendance, no? Kinakailangan po natin ng inyong attendance. Ayan. Alright, sige. Let's do this. Ready? Ako na mag-screenshot. Besh, ikaw na lang.
Ako, sige. Ito na po, wait lang. Okay, guys. Okay, ngiti na tayo. Huwag niyo munang itodo. Wait lang po kasi inaayos lang natin. Ayan, malapit na. 2 seconds na lang. Gayahin niyo po yung ngiti ni Catherine Chang. I think this is the best smile I've ever seen. Okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile! Grabe yung ngiti ng Buenbuelo. Parang rockstar. Okay, 1, 2, one more. 1, 2, 3. Bakit naman ganyan yung mga ngitian mo, Buenbuela? Sobra ka naman dyan. Okay, guys. Happy night. Happy Tuesday. Happy proofing.
Happy
Sa lahat.
proofing! And of
Sana
course,
masaya ang
Happy
proofing nyo. At kantahin natin ang kantang to. Sige, go.
I hope you learned a lot, guys.
maraming salamat. A great Tuesday! Of course, yabang!
We all share the same destination. We all work together as one.
In this place there's only one vision, and that's to be the number one.
We all have the right combination. Care and quality, there's no compromise.